Down there.
Where? Where? There! Where? Fucking there! Oh yeah, it's fighting the scorpion! It's fighting the scorpion! Dude, help me. Help me take it out, please. Can you help me? Can you actually? Oh my god, it's fucking... It's gonna kill my fucking bird! You're not. Level 4. Male. Fucking load of shit. Male. Oh fucking... Come on, you prick. Nah, mate, it's all good. Why the fuck did you kill it? Me too. What the actual shit? Can you get off my bird, please? I'm gonna take your bird. You fucking dickhead. Why are we running? What's wrong? I've got 5 arrows now. Right, you stay here. Right. I'm not fucking shooting! I want a bird! Fuck's sake! Right, land the bird, you prick. Let's swap birds. I don't want your shit bird. Give me my bird. Where the fuck are you? Fine! Oh! Fuck's sake! Yeah, what? I'm going back to base. I'm really pissed off. What the fuck? Then it's gonna attack me and kill me. Oh fucking shit! Where are you? Where are you? Bobbin! Fucks! Right, I found you. You shit lord. Fuck's sake. No, I didn't want to kill it! I want a fucking saber tooth, dude. Bobbin! 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 Find Matt. Matt's taming your mammoth for you, you prick. Is the mammoth actually waking up? Can you? Going towards Matt, because I've got 5 arrows, Bobbin. I have got 5 arrows. It's not gonna work. Oh, for fuck's sake! Where are you? Bobbin! Okay, wait, look, this bird's going for a coffee. This bird's going for a coffee. Just give me a second. Oh god. Oh. Oh, I'm being attacked. Bobbin! Fucking help me! Jesus! Shh! Fucking bird! I'm actually crying, I can't see. Oh, where's the bird? Oh, I'm gonna die! Bobbin! Don't you fucking leave me! Oh, fucking hell. I'll remember this. You'll be on my fucking hit list. It'll be like soft funny, midget Dan and fucking intoxicated for leaving me. Oh, Jesus. I feel like I'm gonna be sick. Jesus! Shut the fuck up! It's really late. You're gonna wake everyone up. Shh! Shh! Where's the mammoth? Where's the fucking mammoth? You would think I'd be able to find it because it's a mammoth. However, no. There's a face on a stone, so I need to come over there. Are you shitting me right now? I found you. It was emotional, Matt. This game is so fucking emotional. I am so sad. I'm and by that I mean I'm just crying. I'm not actually sad. Fucking bird, dude. Oh, gee. Oh, my abs. Is there anyone me on the fire, please? Oh, I know, I was trying to. Oh, is there anything on it? First question. Yeah, nice. You're a gibber. That's racist. What? I know, that's for my fucking tiger. What? Oh my god, what? Can we craft some arrows, please? Can I have a...